Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the trousers. I've decided to shoot these tutorials because a lot of people come to my fashion house asking to help them sew pants. They can't make pants fit them. I didn't show you sewing or designing because this is not where they make mistakes. People don't know how to steam and iron pants to make them fit their bodies perfectly. Have a look at the table. These are the two pants legs which I'm going to tack now. Last time I showed you how to iron pants for a fitting. Now you know how to iron pants creases and which parts of pants legs to stretch. This is how the pants legs look like now before tacking. I'll show you what you should pay attention to. This is the back detail and this is the front detail. Have a close look at the back detail. Buttocks, legs. This part of the pants will fit Olya perfectly. This is very important. The back detail used to be as straight as the front one. This is how the back crease looks like now. I'll use a ruler to show you how much we stretched it. You would never make a pants leg fit you this way without ironing it. The side and the inside leg seams were stretched, and the back crease was shrunk. This detail was also stretched to the side. It's very important to do it. This is the front detail. It's of the same form. This is how it looks like now. If I make the crease straight, there will be waves on the other side. The same thing with the back detail. Have a look at it. You can see the folds here. Now we can start tacking. This is the waistband. It was doubled and then ironed. Its one side was stretched and the other one was shrunk. The waistband is not straight anymore. This is also important. Now I'll tack the pants. When I do it, I'll show you how they will look like on the body. Notice how the back detail of the pants leg look like. You can see that when the creases are straight, there are waves on the edges. You saw the pants on Olya at the first fitting, and now she will try them on once again. I need to match the front and the back details to start tacking. I need to tack the side and the inside leg seams. Have a look here. The inside leg seam isn't ready yet. The side seam is already tacked. Notice that when I make one of the lines straight, the other ones becomes wavy. You saw that this part was too big at the first fitting. We shrunk this part so that they fit the body perfectly. This is how the first pants leg looks like now. Now I'll tack the inside leg seam, and after that Olya will try the pants on. We haven't ironed or steamed the lower parts of the trousers. They are absolutely straight. I am taking the inside leg seam. I'll show you what you should pay attention to. Of course, we will steam and iron the pants again after stitching them. I'll show you what you should do after taking the inside leg seam. Have a look here. The inside leg seam is already tacked. Have a look at its prominent part. Draw a line about 1 or 1.5 centimeters down from it. This is the line for tacking. You will have to cut this extra piece, but you should do it later, after fitting, stitching and ironing. Put the two details together and cut them at once. Now I just need to draw a line for tacking. I still need to tack the second pants leg. As I've already said, do not tack the inside leg seams together the way they are. Draw lines for tacking. We'll cut the extra pieces only after stitching. When I tack the waistband, Olya will try the pants on. Have a look at the trousers. They're tacked just like in one of the previous videos. I think that you can easily see the difference. Notice that we made these darts longer, just like I had said. Don't make pants close-fitting. These are classic straight pants. Notice how the trousers fit the body. Have a look at the back. I remind you that there is the extra piece which should be cut. Do not cut it before stitching. Notice how the trousers fit these parts. Absolutely amazing. We wouldn't be able to make them fit the body this way without ironing. The inside leg seam is stretched, so it doesn't pull the pants leg inside. When your trousers are tacked, notice the position of the creases. They should be straight and vertical. This is very important. These are the classic trousers for women. They're not tight or wide. They're straight. There will also be pockets in the pants. The trousers will be lined. Now you know how to make pants fit your bodies perfectly. Have a look at these crease once again. It's absolutely perfect. The trousers are just tacked. They are not stitched. We still need to cut the extra pieces of the inside leg seams. I can see that this line should be moved about 5 mm lower. I'll alter it. This is why I said that the extra piece can be cut only after stitching. We show you the way the professional tailors work. I hope you appreciate it. This was the last tutorial on how to make pants fit you. I think that these tutorials were very useful. I hope that you found something new and useful. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.